Attorney Calleja, what exactly is Sambayan calling for? Because when we look into a number of reports and those possibly joining the rally on November 30, meron ho kasing there are calls for the president to resign. There's a group
Yes.
also calling for the unity team to resign. Um, are
Oo.
you calling, is Sambayan calling for any official to resign?
No, ang isang bayan is not calling for any resignation or not calling for any regime change or government change. We have to remember, Pinky, marami na tayong EDSA 1, EDSA 2, or whatever changes we had in government. If we will just change the individual or the politician without changing our system, without changing or transforming ourselves, nagbago lang tayo ng personality pero nandiyan pa rin yung corruption. So we have to put an end to corruption, and changing the president at this point in time will not do good. Even changing the president and the vice president at the same time will not do good because that would only lead to an unconstitutional reform na hindi natin, unconstitutional action that we don't want, you know. You cannot also change the president from the vice president because if you're saying that the president has an issue of corruption, the more does the vice president has an issue of corruption. We have to remember, Pinky, the vice president is impeached by the House. So klarong-klaro yung kanyang issue doon because the House itself has decided to impeach the Vice President. So both of them have a issue of corruption if you look at it. So I think it would serve us best na to hold accountable those who are charged or those who are found guilty. But let us not point fingers. If the President is there or anybody of his friends or relatives, sabi nga, bigyan natin ng kaukulang investigasyon.